Alright, so this is my Chevrolet Silverado LTZ. I'm a little late on the build because I didn't start video putting this on YouTube until now. But that's the bed cover. It's my last name, Watts. 5% tint in the back. Yeah, 15 in the front because I can't see at night. So I was like, 5% of it was too dark, so I just had to put it on 15. Gotta be done. That's a little black line up there for the sun. This truck is actually a 6.2 liter V8. It's the biggest 1500 you can get. Yeah. Thinking about getting one of those HD hoods. I'm not sure yet though. So, I don't know. We're gonna back out of here though, real quick. It's got a backup camera. Leather interior. I'm gonna let it warm up. Heated, cooled seats. Heated and cooled. There's only one rip on the other seat. That's right there. Gotta get that fixed. I just leave it as is. I don't know. Right now, I'm going to school. I wanted to make this video another time, but I got no time during the day to do this. So I was like, why not? 6:30 in the morning. Let's do it. It's got dual pipes, dual tips. It's got a Flowmaster. It's like a single into a dual. There's a wide pipe basically. We're probably gonna redo it because the welding on it just sucks. Like someone chicken scratched it. I don't know. These mirrors fold in. That's pretty cool. I did put a 3-inch lift on it with new front struts, and probably gonna have new back suspension added to it. I'm gonna put a cold air intake on it, redo the exhaust, and get wheels and tires. So I got you guys right before the wheels and tires. I'm getting I have the subs. We're waiting on the box to come in. That's my dog. His name's Jack. It's got a back and front camera. It's your little front camera right there. Black emblems is the first thing I put on there. MotoFab running boards. I think they look pretty clean with the truck. Fits that black look I'm going for. I think it looks pretty clean all around. I did have it repainted. It had some pretty bad keying on the back and on the side. We got it off the lot, used. It was nothing really wrong with the truck other than the keying it got done, or someone did to it, or scratches, whatever happened to it. Get my license either this week or next week. That's why I'm starting it now. I'm starting this build series. Because I thought, why not? Almost got my license. Build everything, have everything right, minty. For YouTube, try to get some viewers on that. 4-door. There's nothing really else to say. It's a 6.2, 403 horsepower, 416 pounds-foot torque. Suspension is really good on it. I love the suspension. It's a very smooth riding truck. Pulls really good. Handles very well. I'm a Chevy guy and part Toyota. F1 is really nice. But you can see why I'm a Chevy guy. This is what we built first, me and my dad. We built this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro 396 turbojet. Got the emblem right there. That took a long time. When we pulled it in, I'll show you pictures right now. He bought this for like a couple $1,000s, maybe $2,000-3,000, and this car was in rough shape, as you just saw. I mean, it was in rough shape. But now it's cammed. It's got the mother thumper cam in it. It's got. That's pretty much it. Everything else is stock. Like the whole car is stock. Everything. The interior, really nice. Underside of the car, really nice. It's dual pipes all the way back to the muffler. It's not straight piped. He's thinking about straight piping it, but I don't know. The engine's been pulled out 3 or 4 times. We put forged parts in there, everything. Got everything balanced like it should be. Everything's stock and minty. That's just a beautiful car right there. Hideaway headlights, that's another thing. Hideaway headlights look really good on it. That's my bike. You already saw those videos. I just posted a lot of those videos. This is the old Suzuki. Alright, to pick back up where I left off. The Suzuki. It's our 4-wheeler. It's 500. Can't get through any mud. Already tried. I mean, it can go through mud. It's alright. No, it's not alright. That's basically the whole artillery right there. I went to school, had a full day, basically, worked. And, came back, and remembered I had to do the video. So, just be expecting truck build, more dirt bike videos. Coming soon. I'm gonna get the GoPro. Might even get a new GoPro. And try to ride soon. I'm gonna have several build series in my YouTube career. We're gonna have a C10 custom truck. We're gonna have a 69 Camaro build. It's gonna have a really big engine in it with turbo, so I'm gonna have that. This is just the first truck. I'm building it right now. It'll be ready in a couple weeks here. So yeah, I guess that's everything. Later.